Is dropshipping a good model for running an e-commerce store in 2022? Hello and welcome back to our channel, E-commerce Know-How. With many new ways of making money online popping up every day, from crypto to freelancing, people are now asking themselves, is dropshipping dead? But dropshipping simply can't die out that quickly, because it's one of the largest and most established e-commerce business models and has the ability to generate millions of earnings for individuals all over the world. So, is it safe to say that despite what many people say, dropshipping isn't dead at all? It's essential to understand that dropshipping requires detailed planning and skill, and yes, you can still earn through it in 2022. Learning the basics. First, let's cover the basics for good measure. So what exactly is dropshipping? In easy words, dropshipping is an order fulfillment strategy where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in its stock, but rather purchases from products from a third-party supplier who then ships the items to the customer directly. In essence, the major contrast between dropshipping and the standard retail model is that the selling merchant doesn't stock or own inventory, but instead they act as a middleman in the whole scenario. The respective seller purchases inventory from needed as a usual whole supplier or manufacturer and then fulfills orders. This order fulfillment method is most attractive to entrepreneurs seeking low overhead and low capital investments. Does dropshipping still work? Dropshipping is still well and alive, and a testament to the fact that the search term dropshipping has seen a large increase over the last 5 years. Although it's true that there have been a few lows, the general trend is still steadily expanding. People ask if AliExpress dropshipping is dead, but the facts show that the searches for the term AliExpress dropshipping have seen a substantial increase over the last 5 years. AliExpress continues to serve as a fantastic platform for most people interested in dropshipping due to the high availability of products and the reasonable prices. Another common question that people ask is Amazon dropshipping still profitable? Although Amazon is an excellent forum for dropshipping, the search term Amazon dropshipping still has less than a growth trend when compared to AliExpress dropshipping. When we compare to AliExpress, the dropshipping from Amazon is quite technical, which may end up discouraging users. Your aims are important. If you aim to earn respectable revenue by beginning your side business, then dropshipping is absolutely worth trying. However, if you want to make lots of money in a limited amount of time, then dropshipping is definitely not what you're looking for. For successful dropshipping, you'll have to invest time, money, and effort. The barriers. There are a few common reasons why the dropshipping business growth rate has slowed down in comparison to when it first began. This includes high shipping time, high cost of products, refunds taking too long, low quality of products, absence of customer support, and general unprofessionalism exhibited by dropshippers or sellers. In other words, if you're looking to succeed in dropshipping in 2022, these are the things you should always avoid. Public service. A suitable e-commerce business always satisfies the needs of its customers. Yet what leads to the downfall of many dropshipping companies is the fact that they neglect the customer for profit. Most dropshippers are using Shopify stores for their products, and they don't maintain the standards of their products or the store overall, since they sell the items via advertisement on social media. Their business model is based on selling a product to a customer only once, which in turn leads to a poor experience, decreasing the public trust in all dropshipping businesses. To avoid being categorized into this stereotype, make sure you treat your buyers with respect and maintain the quality of your products, aiming to build long-term relationships. This is the reason some stores that work as dropshippers thrive while others just don't. Dropshipping businesses that give priority to the needs of their customers and solve all their problems make permanent customers. They do sell their products by keeping a margin, but they counteract that with the customer by permitting them to get refunds quicker or to assist them with all their queries. To be sustainable in 2022, dropshippers definitely need to give their customers importance. Our final 2 cents. Dropshipping is still well and alive in 2022, and this has been confirmed by many stats which conclude that despite the fact that the dropshipping industry is becoming relatively saturated, it still has a ton of potential since the market valuation of dropshipping industry is expected to reach $557.9 billion by 2025. Dropshipping, as well as e-commerce profits, have accumulated over $4 billion, which is a 7% year-on-year increase for the last 10 years. Furthermore, 20% of online retailers are using dropshipping, and dropshipping can achieve roughly 50% more profit in comparison to keeping your own inventory. Dropshipping is a versatile industry, and it's unlikely that it will die. Instead, as proving again and again, dropshippers will evolve their business models into the way they work. Well guys, that's all for today's video, and we really hope you understand what dropshipping is, and if that's the kind of business model you can thrive in. Do you think dropshipping is a sustainable kind of business, or its time in the world is limited no matter what? Let us know in the comments below. Lastly, consider subscribing to our channel to join in on future videos.